In this video, we will show you how to create a partnership. In order to make your full use of the Operations Center, the next step is to create your own organization. Go up in the Tools bar and click on Organization. In the organization, you can manage staff members and partners. Staff members are people working on your farm, for example, your employees. Partners can be your dealer organization, agronomic advisors, other partner farms, or customers if you are in the contracting business. To add new staff members, click on plus and enter the person's email address you'd like to add as a staff member. Next, you have to set up permission rights for this new person. You can grant different permission levels for your file's information and your equipment. The file permission includes information on fields and products which are set up in your Operations Center organization. You have 4 different levels. 1. No access means the new staff member is not allowed to see any information. 2. Logistics, authorization to upload, download and send prescription data from Operations Center. 3. Editor, authorization to take all actions on agronomic data. 4. Admin, authorization to take all actions in the Operations Center. For your equipment and your JD Link-equipped machines, you also have 4 levels. 1. No access. The staff member is not authorized to view any data. 2. Subscriber means the new staff member is authorized to view settings, landmarks, driving directions for authorized equipment, organizational preferences, and staff. 3. Manager means limited access to view and change, add and delete settings, landmarks, driving directions for authorized equipment, organizational preferences, and staff. And finally, the admin is allowed to see and access everything. Finalize adding a staff member by clicking on Send Invite. Now you can see in the Staff tab that the person has been invited. The person will receive an email, and as soon as he accepts the invitation, he will be a staff member of your organization. The process to add a partner is similar. Open the Partner tab and select Plus to add a partner. You can share information from your Operations Center, machine optimization, agronomic decision-making, work collaboration. The selection will be made after you add the email address and click Next. Will this partner help manage your machines? You can select if you want to give your partner access to all your machines. If not, untick the box and select the specific machine or machines that you want to give your partner access to. Will this partner make recommendations and help you with field planning? Here you can select a single field or all the fields you want to grant access to your new partner. Will this partner help you with operations throughout the year? Here you can give access to further details such as remote display access, view location history, allow the partner to send files to your machines, view prescription maps, and create setup files. A summary will show you which data you are going to share with your new partner. Click on Send Invite and the partner receives an email which he only has to accept to be part of your organization.